Shall we go and find our friends?
For the kids.
You need to try and read our head.
Look, I'm making funny plastic here. Oh, there's the candle. Shall I look after it for you?
You wiggle your fingers.
Can you show me your hand? We share life. Need any breakfast or anything?
I think she's fine for the morning.
Let's go, Sam.
Okay? Bye-bye, sweetheart.
She seems to be okay. She hasn't noticed it's missing at all.
Mandy, ring the bell.
Rang the bell today, didn't we? And you made loads of friends, didn't you?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. You ready?
You're welcome.
Yes.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye.
The royal pooch was nowhere to be found. Finally,